Who doesn't want smarter kids? Good performers within school and outside school. Kids who are gentle, kind, intelligent, and mentally strong. For that, you need to learn about cognition, the software of our brain. Cognition is our entire thinking process. Whatever is happening inside our brain, whether it is our feelings, emotions, creativity, processing, problem solving, or storing of information, is collectively known as cognition. To better understand our brain and its functioning, think of a computer. Brain is like hardware and cognition is its software. The core objective of human brain, like a computer, is to receive inputs. Any kind of data or information, to store and process this information and to deliver output. By output, we mean the final action. A brain that delivers accurate and quick output is a better brain. Better the operating system, RAM or bandwidth of a computer, faster is the processing, quicker is the output. Similarly, better the cognitive abilities, smarter is the brain, better will be its performance. Most successful people have better cognitive abilities. It helps them in understanding and processing information smartly and to take actions quickly. Students who can quickly understand and deliver information have higher chances of succeeding in school, competitions, and life in general. Better the cognition, smarter the performance. Early childhood is the best time to build smart cognitive abilities. Now, to improve our overall performance, we need to know about those mental abilities that makes a brain a smart brain. These are, number one, dynamic IQ. Yes, it is the ratio of your mental age versus your actual age. The amount of knowledge that you have at a certain age and situation in comparison to others. Number two, focus. Focus is the application of knowledge while you are performing a task. Better your focus, higher is the accuracy. Number three, decision-making ability. It is the speed of performing a task at a given time and situation. Better the DMA, quicker is going to be your output. Number four, creativity. It is the ability to think out of box. That is, how many different solutions can you offer for a given problem. Better the CQ, better is the problem solving, especially in tough conditions. Interestingly, most successful people have higher decision making, focus, and creativity ability. The combination of these four factors is known as your cognitive capacity or mental capacity. Higher the cognitive efficiency, smarter is going to be your performance. With our online assessment tools, you can test the level of your child's mental abilities and brain's overall efficiency. You can find out which of the four mental abilities are advanced or which are lagging, so that you can work upon those abilities early in the age to improve overall performance. To learn more about the assessment, please watch training video 2. In this video, we will learn about multiple intelligences and natural ability. We all are born with many abilities, like ability to read and write, to think, observe, to calculate, words and speech, bodily movements, sports ability, leadership, visualizing, music singing, and many other such abilities. The one ability which is the strongest out of all these is known as our natural ability. Like birds have a natural ability to fly. Similarly, in humans, it could be strong music sense in someone, while for some other, it could be doing faster calculations. Our natural ability helps us in learning and doing things quickly in that area. For example, if you are naturally gifted in doing calculations, you can learn mathematics related subjects faster. If you are naturally gifted in using body movements, you can do very well in sports or acting related works. Our natural ability is also known as our primary learning style. There are 8 different learning styles, collectively known as multiple intelligences. Let us learn more about our learning styles. Number 1. Linguistic learners. They love to read, speak and write. Their command on vocabulary or language is very strong, like a radio jockey, TV hosts, authors, speechwriters. Number 2. Logical learners. They can learn, think and do things in a sequential pattern. Good in basic calculations, their number sense or mathematical sense is very strong, like bankers, CAs, engineers, businessmen. Number 3, visual learners. They can think, learn, perceive, and visualize through pictures, diagrams, geometrical patterns like architects, movie directors, or pilots. Number 4, musical learners. They understand and create music. They have a strong sense of beats and rhythms. They are singers, instrumentalists, musicians, and composers. Number 5, bodily learners. They love to use their bodies, hand and feet movements. Gestures and facial expressions are the best. They make excellent athletes, performers, dancers, actors, or models. Number 6, interpersonal learners. These folks are good diplomats, sensitive to the needs of other people, and are very good at negotiation, advice, or leading. They are excellent communicators and listeners. They make good leaders, politicians, salesmen, hoteliers, managers, and entrepreneurs. Number 7, intrapersonal learners. They seem to be shy, but their strength is thinking, memory, and observation. They understand emotions, values, and philosophy of life. They know how to set goals and maintain the discipline it takes to achieve them. Deep thinkers who often seek solitude, like spiritual leaders, doctors, researchers, or inventors. Number 8, naturalist learners. People who love nature, know the names of flowers, trees, insects, and even birds. Those who love hiking, climbing mountains, or working on ecological projects. People who work in Discovery Channel. They make excellent environmentalists, ecologists, zoologists, or members of the Forestry Service. The combination of all these abilities is known as our learning nature. Though all of us have all these 8 abilities by birth, but there is at least one that is the strongest. Now that's our primary learning style, the natural strength, or our hidden talent. For example, if we test our abilities on a scale of 1 to 10, any ability that scores more than 6 can be our learning style. More than 7 can be counted as our strength. More than 8, that's our primary learning style. And more than 9, woohoo, that's our ability, the gifted ability or talent. It's very easy to develop our strengths into talent only if we can find it out early in the age. The best time is between 3 to 12 years. To do this, we use the most reliable, scientifically validated and standardized online assessment tool. Not only it tests the level of 8 multiple intelligences, primary learning style, strengths or natural ability of your child, but also provides recommendations, action plan, and activities to develop it into talent. Visit kidsunlock.com to take the assessment.